Warning. Warning. Warning.
What's up guys, how you doing? Hope you had a great day. I'm here to do another really quick film. Yesterday I did a film about this guy, this little tiny little cute guy, and how you hand launch and hand land him. So I'm going to do a really fast film today because I've got a few questions. Can you do the same with the Mavic 2 Pro? And sure, of course you can. But the Mavic 2 Pro, I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't know if it'll focus on this guy, but that's the propeller. I mean, look at that. That's like paper, right? That's paper. Now, can you guys see the difference between the propellers on these guys? I mean, and these guys, they don't bend. This does not bend, right? This is almost solid. So this guy might give you a little scratch, you know. Make sure when you've got him in your finger-free finger grip, right? Make sure that you've got him right there underneath, not touching anywhere near the propellers. And you don't angle him to your face, you angle him away when you're about to fly, right? This guy right here, if he hits you in the face, woo! He's gonna cut your face off. Yeah, so just be careful. If you're not comfortable, do not even attempt it. Put him on the ground, put him on a sheet of metal, I don't know, whatever you have. Put him on top of the, actually he won't take off on top of the car. The whole magnetic like interference. Just be careful. And it's really simple. You get your controller, you get your little takeoff sign. Let me just record the screen again. This is just simpler for you guys, right? So we're recording the screen. So what we do is we press the takeoff button. It asks you if you want to take off. You say sure.
Take off.
Off it goes, right? Now to get it back down, you press land. He's gonna ask you are you sure? You press yeah, false land. Be careful. he's gonna cut your fingers off. So remember, it's the same kind of grip. I got 3 fingers and I'm just grabbing him underneath right there. Don't hold him anywhere. You don't wanna, because these are sharp. I actually cut myself with one of these before. Now you can also do the crazy, if you're having trouble landing him, you can land him again, push him down. Just be careful, away from you, away from you, away from you. This guy, he will cut you up badly. So yeah, you can hand launch and hand land this guy. The Mavic 2 Pro or the Mavic 2 Zoom or the Mavic, just be really careful because, could you give us a break? Be careful. It's a heavier machine. It handles the wind a lot better because this guy in the wind, if you're trying to hand catch him, it could be a little bit difficult, but this guy, he's pretty stable, but still, just make sure you've got your fingers away from those blades because these guys are gonna tear you up. That's it for today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna film a comparison film with these two. And I bet you guys are not gonna see the difference. I bet you're not gonna see the difference. Catch you on the other side. Oh yeah, but subscribe, it's gonna help me a lot. We're gonna reach that 1,000 and it's gonna be like